Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a store on Wix. First, navigate to wix.com and either create a new account or log into your existing one. Once logged in, you'll be prompted to choose a template. Select a template specifically designed for online stores to ensure you have all the necessary e-commerce features. Take some time to customize the design, colors, and fonts to match your brand's aesthetic. This initial setup is crucial for establishing your store's foundation and visual appeal. Now that your store's foundation is set, it's time to add your products. From your Wix dashboard, find the Store Products section. Click Add New Product and choose your product type, such as physical or digital. Upload high-quality images, write compelling descriptions, and specify important details like pricing, available stock, and any variations like size or color. You can add up to 100 product images per item, ensuring customers see every detail. With products added, let's set up how you'll get paid and how items will reach your customers. Go to Settings and then Accept Payments to connect secure payment gateways like PayPal or Stripe. Next, navigate to Shipping and Delivery to define your shipping regions, rates, and delivery options. You can offer free shipping, flat rates, or calculated rates. Don't forget to set up your tax rules under Tax to ensure compliance with local regulations. You're almost ready to launch. Before publishing, thoroughly review all your store settings, product details, and shipping rules to ensure everything is accurate. Once you're confident, click the Publish button to make your online store live for customers worldwide. After launch, regularly monitor new orders, manage your inventory, and engage with customer inquiries. Wix provides robust tools to help you track sales and maintain your store's smooth operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.